Lever wire connectors. HTCELLE 60-piece inline wire connectors kit for quick connect. Push and compact splicing electrical connectors but terminals. For circuit inline 28 to 12 AUG. Safe and reliable, the lever wire connectors shell is made of high-quality PC insulating material. Wire connectors have the advantages of long service life, corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, aging resistance, and can effectively prevent leakage. Each connection point has independent shrapnel and different wires are managed separately, which improves the safety performance and product quality. Therefore, the lever-type wire connector is safer than the traditional wire nut. Practical. The lever wire connectors is a reusable, innovative connector. If you need to replace other wires, just pull up the small lever, pull out what you need, and replace them. The wire connector adopts special scientific design to save space. When you combine wires, you don't need to worry about the distortion between wires. The internal use of stainless steel to lock the wires firmly and not loose, because they can be reused, and the wires can be removed or reconnected several times. Compatibility. Any combination of solid, stranded, and flexible copper wires. Applicable to wire size 0.1 to 4 mm AWG281 to the connector is widely used for decorative wiring. For example, it is an ideal product for connecting ceiling lights, spotlights, etc. Easy to operate. You can connect wires by hand without any tools. Push the orange handle to 90 and insert the wire. Strip the wire housing to 0.35 to 0.47 inch. Make sure the wire is inserted at the end. Do not open the wire housing for too long, and then place the back of the wire clamp. When you make electrical connection, you only need a little force to push the lever up. Convenient inspection. You can check whether the wire length is appropriate and whether the wire insertion is complete through the transparent cover. It is easy to confirm whether the wire is inserted into the jack. In addition, there's a test hole on the back of the connector. The test hole can be used to check whether the wire is energized. Various standard test probes can be used for electrical wire connectors.